Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you our full experience with the Journey to the Waterfalls tour at the Niagara Falls. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Enjoy watching!
Excited ako, promise. Buti lang, kumain na tayong lahat.
Malak, mas malamig ang siklay.
Buti na lang
Mahangin
talaga
sa
tayo.
baba.
Sige, cruise na lang. Kasi gusto ko na naman mag-cruise.
Hindi mahangin kasi.
Para sa kompleto ng main experience. Diba?
Nice.
Oh my God! Ah! Saan ba yun? Over there!
Sakay ka na ng boat. Hi! Tara na. 5, 6. Elevator to boat.
We're all together.
Tara, say hi! Hi! Hi!
How are you?
Video to?
Video ba?
Parang blue.
Thank you.
Are we going?
We're going for the voyage to the falls cruise. So, makukurol tayo. Kurol tayo.
Kurang to the max.
Yeah, kurol tayo.
Sa mga may kaisipan niya.
Okay, salamat.
That's why
Nabibili ako lang. Kasi
We don't want big wine. Oh wow! Holy moly!
Up close and personal with Niagara Falls.
Ay, yung pa-picture tayo ng ano. OMG! Malapit na ano! Grabe! OMG! Kakaibang experience to! Pero para maiba. Naluloka na ba kayo? Hindi naman. Ikaw, hindi naman.
Na-experience ko
Hindi pa.
lamig lang po sa dalawa.
Ah. Binibili ba ang plastic? Okay.
Ito ba yun?
baby size too.
Ganto ng ano?
Mukha lang nakikita sa akin.
Ako din.
I'm like a mumo.
Ang dami na lang natin
Ang momo.
Ano sa kalangan?
Ang momo.
Thank you for choosing Niagara City Cruises. As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed over the Canadian Berkeley Falls, which is more popular for its immense vertical raising. The height of the American Falls remains calculated at 6 meters.
Woo!
It's my third time here in Niagara, but it's my first time to be up close to the waterfalls. It's so amazing, guys. I was so mesmerized by those three waterfalls that you've seen along the way and in this cruise. This is really breathtaking. Oh my God. I will not ever forget this. Pabalik na kami sa dock. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching.